Revision notebook quickly. Revision maths, the revision notebook. Maths revision notebook. Take out math revision notebook and start writing this. This is revision 2. In your revision notebook only write revision 2. Write revision 2. Revision number 2. Write this. Navira, switch off your mic. Revision 2 of chapter 5. Okay? Start from a new page and write these questions. Write these questions. Check whether
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write in next page.
now you're on the same page. Now, yes, new page, yes, new page. What is this going on, Navira? Please switch off your mic. Navira, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Switch off your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, if we have done the work, ma'am, we send in the WhatsApp group.
Obviously, first do it, Rishabh, then ask. First start doing it. Arjun, Abhi, I'll throw you out of the class.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, is this the work which is done right now?
Yes, obviously, yes. Do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Wait a second. This question 5 from a new page. Show that बेटा ये वाला डिवाइड करके you have to check. Okay? So leave space, solve the following, solve the whole thing. इसमें you have to write yes or no, simply yes or no, simply yes or no.
Ma'am, in the fair copy, in the rough copy.
In revision copy, I told you in the beginning.
Ma'am, in the first one, ma'am, we have. Ma'am, in the first one, ma'am, we have to do divide.
Obviously, yes. How can you find out whether this is or not? This is a factor of it or not? How can you find it out without dividing? Five, sorry. This is 6, this is 7, and this is 8.
Ma'am, now I have done divide, ma'am. I do second one.
Obviously, yes. This is not the question to ask, Rishabh. Obviously, yes. If you have done the first one, do the second one. Beta, in this, to check whether this number is a factor of any number, we used to do the divide. We check whether this number is coming in the multiplication of this number or not.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Everyone, just look on the board. Everyone, if you have done, even if you have not done, just look on the board and switch on your cameras. Switch on your cameras. Switch on your cameras. Advika, Arjun, Navira, Ashu, Virat, Harsh, Apurva, Avika, Lakshay, Pratishtha. Okay, now see, check whether 6 is a factor of 1296 or not. So there are two methods to do this. To check this, there are two methods. Okay, first one is by divisibility test. You can check by the divisibility test of 6. You can try divisibility test of 6 because 6 you have to check whether this is a factor of this. You can check by and second is to divide. Okay, both the methods are correct. So if you do it by the divisibility test, you will check the last number. It is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, it is divisible by 2. Then find the sum. 1 plus 2, 3, 9, 3, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. 18 is coming in the table of 3. Yes, it is divisible by 6. Now, how to check? By dividing. The best method is to divide. See, 1, 2, 9, 6. Let us divide it by 6. 6 twos are 12. Then we subtract it, we will get 2 zeros here. This 9 will be copied over here. Then 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. Subtract it, you will get 3 here. Copy down this 6 over here. Okay, when does this 6 comes in the table of 6? 36. 6 1 6 are 36. And you subtract it, you will get 0. Now tell me, is 6 is a factor of this or not? If the remainder is 0, then yes, 6 is a factor of this.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes, the answer would be yes. Very good. Because remainder is 0. Is acha, many of you saying, ma'am, why this is wrong? Is 16 a factor of 8? Beta, if I asked you to take out the factors of 16, so if I factors of 8, if I ask you to take out the factors of 8, or factors of 8, factor of 8. So I'm taking out factors of 8. 1, 8, 2, 4. Is there any 16 coming? Is there any 16 coming in the factors of 8?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
that's why
ma'am.
this is the wrong answer. If it would be, 8 is a factor of 16, then the answer would be yes. अगर यहाँ पर 8 होता, यहाँ पर 16 होता, then answer would be yes. Okay, but here it is opposite. Okay, that's why the answer here will be no. Understood? Still, how many of you have the doubt in the second one? How many of you are having doubt? Tell me your name. Speak up if somebody is having doubt in the second one. 16 is not a factor of 8. 8 is a factor of 16.
Please
If I ask,
explain me. Ma'am, please explain me once more.
see, it is written, is 16 a factor of 8? See, it is written, is 16 a factor of 8? We have to check 16 is a factor of 8 or not. Okay, so what we do, we are going to take out the, what is it written, factor of 8. So we are going to take out factors of 8. To take out the factors of 8, the question answer will be 1, 8, 2, 4. Is there any 16? The greatest number is 8. So how can it be 16? So answer will be no here. If the question would have been, if the question would have been, if is 8 a factor of 16, then answer will be yes. 8 is a factor of 16, 16 is not a factor of 8. So is 9 a factor of 91? If you see, 9 ones are 9 tens are 90. So 91 is not a factor of 9. Is 7 a factor of 63? Please tell me yes or no. Yes or no? Huh?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Why? Why? Why yes? Open your mics and speak up. Why yes?
Because,
Huh?
ma'am, because 63 comes in the table of 7.
Very good. Factor of 63 if you take out, it comes, there will be 7. So 63 comes in the table of 7. 7 nines are 63. Now show that 3016 is a multiple of 29. So how will you show it? Just divide 3016 by 29. Okay? By 29. So if you see 29 ones are 29. Subtract it, you will get 0, 1. Okay, then copy down this 1 over here. If you check 29, this number is coming, not coming, then you will put 1 0 over here. Okay, put 1 0 over here and copy down the next number, that is 6. Now check 29, how much times in rough you can check? 29 4s are you can check. 9 4s are 36, 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11. 29 4s are 1 1 6 is coming. The remainder will be 0, so answer will be yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
the answer will be yes.
Yes.
Yes. Is 72 a multiple of 12? If you see the table of 12, if you take out the multiples of 12, if I ask you to take out the multiples of 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
does it come in the table of 12, 72?
Yes, ma'am.
How much times?
Ma'am, 6.
12 6 is 72. Very good. That means yes. Is 136 a multiple of 136?
Yes, ma'am.
If I ask you to take out the multiples of 136, first of all, you will write 136. Every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. Therefore, this answer is yes. Is 0 a multiple of 7?
Yes, ma'am.
0 is a multiple of 0 is a multiple of every number. See, 0 7s are 0. So it is coming in the table of 7 now. It is coming in the table of 7. That means yes. Now send me your answers on WhatsApp. Those who have not sent me the answers on WhatsApp, just send me on WhatsApp. I want to see, even if you have not done, then also I want to see your answers. I want to see how many of you have done it. Some of the answers I already got and some of them are left. Who is this? Okay. This is what they. Advika, Srishti, I got your answer. Srishti, what is this? This work is not applicable like this. This is wrong. Acha, you have written the answers. First you have written question then answers. Okay, Srishti. Then it is okay. Beta is Harsh, it is 16. It's not 6, it's 16. Here it is 16, it's not 6. I'm unable to see your answers, Harsh, what you have written on the other side. Advika, improve your handwriting, beta. You will do this page again, Advika. Your handwriting must be improved. Okay, who is this? Riddhi, good. Apurva, good. Nihit, good. Well done, Nihit. Only one question you have done, Nihit. The rest are here. Send on one, beta. Riddhi, it's correct, beta. Good, very good, Ashu. The work you do neat and clean. Nihit, please write the whole sentence, multiple. Don't use a short form. Only few of them have sent. Let me see the names. Advika sent, Apurva sent. Arjun Bhardwaj. Arjun Bhardwaj, Abhi he will